In this video, I'm going to reveal 5 niches that you should strongly consider if you're just getting started with affiliate marketing. And no, I'm not going to tell you that you need to be in health, wealth, relationships. These 5 niches are off the beaten path, kind of. They're pretty cool in my opinion. They have lots of buying opportunity, lots of products that you can promote. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which ones you should consider promoting. Hello, my name's Alston Godbolt, and I've promoted everything from stand mixers, security cameras, sound bars, web hosting, and online courses. If you want to learn different real tips and tricks to make money with affiliate marketing, be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. All right, so let's go ahead and get right into this. Now, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is often confused with a pyramid scheme because most often people are only seeing different ways to make money with affiliate marketing by promoting affiliate marketing and business opportunities. But most people don't realize that there are, I would say, millions of people at this point that are in the affiliate marketing game, and most of them are not promoting anything having to do with affiliate marketing or make money online. So in this video, let's go ahead and talk about some of these different opportunities that are out there that I really like, that I would actually, if I had to start over today, I would get into, and I would stay far away from affiliate marketing and make money online. So number one, as you can see on the screen here, is actually a lawn care. Now, when you think about lawn care, there's a ton of different opportunities, and let's go ahead and talk through it. Lawn care is everything from, cutting grass, there's reel mowers, there's riding lawn mowers, there's lawn maintenance, there's like stringers, there's all sorts of stuff that you could promote, and you simply would create content to hundreds of thousands, if not millions of people that are interested in keeping their lawn clean and looking nice. So if you think about it from the standpoint, is there demand? Yes, there are millions of people that are going to be looking for different tips, tricks, and tactics to have the perfect looking lawn. Is there lots of products to promote? Yes, there are lots of products to promote, and it's a little seasonal. It's not going to be as high in demand in the winter months as it is or will be in the spring and summer months and even fall, but there are tons of different products that you can promote. Like I mentioned, you can promote lawnmowers, you can promote a lawn fertilizer, you can promote different trimmers, you can just promote just about anything within the lawn care space, and you can make money. Also, as you can see here, you can build a large following, and these people are dedicated. They're going to watch every one of your videos, and they're going to like, comment, and subscribe. So number one is with lawn care. Number two is actually within the smoker, grilling, outdoor cooking niche. Now, I really like this because if you have ever smoked anything, you know how fun that is. And again, there's lots of opportunities to promote. There are different meat affiliate programs, so like different steaks and chicken, all that stuff you could promote. There are different smokers, there's different like pellets, and there's a whole huge demand. You can promote different cookware, you can promote just about anything, and there's high-end products at the top tier where you can make a lot of money, and then you can also make some recurring commissions as well. Once again, just like the other the lawn care niche, there's lots of opportunity. If you look at this, and I just noticed this myself, the second video on this channel, on this search, has 32,000 views, and they only have 106 subscribers. So you can see that there is opportunity, and you can create all sorts of content. You can create the best smoker. You can create how long does it take to smoke a pork butt at 350 degrees. You just walk people through the process of smoking, and you can actually make decent amount of money simply helping people solve a problem. So if I were to get started today, I would record every time I smoked a brisket. I would talk about how long it took me and how they can get started too. The smoker that I have was relatively expensive, so that could yield a nice commission. As I mentioned, there's different accessories as well. And eventually you can get large enough where people are giving you different smokers to test and try out. So that could be a pretty cool opportunity as well. Another thing that you can get into that I really like is DIY. Spring is coming, and so people are shifting their DIY projects outside. If you are handy, this is a really cool opportunity, and you can simply just put the link to the products or the stuff that you've used in the description. For example, if you want to show people how to build a deck, we'll just type in once this loads. Come on, we could say how to build a deck like this. Hit enter. And then you just put the links to the description. Maybe you're an affiliate for Lowe's. You put the links to the nail gun, the nails, the screws, the hammer, all of that stuff, put it in the description of your videos. People are going to click and buy. But this is a really cool opportunity, and it seems like there's always a DIY project that you could get into. As we speak right now, someone is actually putting up a gazebo in my backyard. And so what I could do is I could record that gazebo being installed and then put an affiliate link over to Wayfair where I got the product. So you can see that this is an opportunity. Eventually, we might get a griddle, an outdoor griddle. Again, people are going to want to see someone installing it or putting it together, or first thoughts and impressions. You can put those affiliate links in the description back over to Amazon. So DIY outdoor is really, really cool. One of my favorite ones, and I just kind of stumbled across this, is Gifts For. Yes, you are going to create an entire YouTube channel where you're coming up with different gift ideas. And what you can do is, if we pull up Ahrefs is no longer free, but what you could do if you wanted to go the completely free route is we're going to head on over to Amazon. So we're going to Amazon.com eventually. And what we're going to do is we're just going to type in best gifts for, and Amazon's going to actually come up with some ideas for. So if we did like best gifts for, I think I spelled gifts wrong, but that's okay. Best gifts. My computer is working really slow. Best gifts. We'll get there eventually. Best gifts for, look at this. Best gifts for 1-year-old baby. Best gifts for men, 2-year-old boy, and so on. So if we just did this, best gifts for 1-year-old baby, we can actually put together a list of the best gifts for a 1-year-old baby and grab our affiliate links and put them in the description of our video. So what we're going to do now real quick is I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to pop this right over into YouTube to show you that people are actually searching this and you are solving someone's problem. Someone has no idea what to get a 1-year-old. Look at all of those different subtopics that popped up. But if we look, best gifts for 1-year-old baby, that's going to be something that people are searching. 45,000 views, 2.3 thousand views, 2.9 thousand views, and you are just going to create content. All these videos are a couple years old, so you could create a brand new channel and do best gifts for 1-year-old 2022. And that could potentially yield some very good results for you. This one only has 4,000 subscribers. But again, the key is going to be consistency. You do 3 or 4 of these per week. And also you want to make sure that you're making these timely. You'd want to do like a best gifts for Valentine's Day a few weeks or months before Valentine's Day so that you can get in front of the people that are maybe thinking about it late. So if we jump over to Ahrefs real quick, I'm going to show you, when I log in here, I'm going to show you that people are searching this all day, every day, best gifts, and that could be your opportunity. So I'll be back with you once I log in. All right, we're back. So if we take a look at this, you can see people are searching best gifts for men, best gifts for women, best friend gifts. They're searching 1.8 million times per month. There are over 87,000 keywords. One of the ones that I showed you before is best white elephant gifts or nasty Christmas if you are a fan of The Office. But you can see that people are searching this over and over again, and you can simply go over to Amazon and figure out what Amazon thinks are the best gifts. You put those in the description of your videos and you can make money. Now, another one that I would get started with is actually in the tech space. I like the tech space because there is so much opportunity. There are new products that are coming out basically every single month, and it's almost evergreen. Now, you're going to have to continuously create content for it to be evergreen. If we look here, you can see Marquise. He started in the tech space many years ago. His videos weren't very good in the beginning, and he grew to 15 million subscribers. This didn't happen overnight. This didn't just happen yesterday. This was years, months, days of hard work, blood, sweat, and tears in the making. And this is something that anybody and everybody can do. The problem is that we lack the consistency and the patience to get to the point that he's at. So you could get into the tech space and you can recommend the Mac Studio and the Mac Studio Pro, whatever comes out, and you have the opportunity to make money. And the final one that I would get into is actually with sports. Now, the reason why I like sports is people that are looking up sports are dedicated, diehard fans, and there are tons of ways to make money. For example, Justin Fields, he was just drafted last year, and one of the first things that I would have done is I would have created a YouTube video talking about Justin Fields as a Chicago Bear, and then I would have put links in the description to Fanatics or the NFL affiliate program with links to his jersey. If people are coming to learn about Justin Fields, they most likely are probably are considering buying his jersey. I would also include other Bear apparel. You can include tickets, or you can include You can include travel. I think booking.com would be a good opportunity because most likely, again, these people, a section of these people are going to be traveling to the games. They're going to be staying overnight. And if you became an affiliate for booking.com, you can say, hey, look, if you are going to the game up in Green Bay and you need a place to stay, click the link here and book with booking.com. And you can find a place to stay for a decent amount of money. So I think there are tons of different opportunities, tons of different ways to make money with affiliate marketing outside of teaching people how to make money with affiliate marketing. So just to recap real quick, number one is with lawn care. I think there are tons of different opportunities with lawn care. You can either do it yourself or you can hire someone to do it. Talking about outdoor cooking, so grilling, smokers, griddles, things of that nature. Outdoor or indoor DIY home improvement, tons of different products you can promote, saws, tons of different products that you can promote, best gifts for, and then you can create videos based on all of the different sub questions that people are asking. If you don't know what to do, hop over to Amazon and type in best gifts for, and Amazon's actually going to help you work through this questioning. And then we also have technology. I really like the technology space because, as I mentioned, there are tons of products that are coming out almost every single month where you can review, you can test, you can do comparisons, you can do unboxings. There's tons of different pieces of content you can create from just one tech product item. So, and then the final one is actually with sports. Talk about your favorite sports. Talk about your favorite team, then go be an affiliate for that sports team, or you can even be an affiliate for Amazon and then also be an affiliate for booking.com or a different travel affiliate program. Now that you know different affiliate niches that you could jump into, click the first link in the description for my free unemployed handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.